ZAPTEST.AI, let's talk about a universal headache for pretty much any business out there: reconciling accounts receivable. It's absolutely critical, but the old manual process, man, it can be a frustrating bottleneck for so many finance teams.
So, for anyone in finance who lives and breathes this every single day, let's just ask the question straight up. Is having your team manually match payments to invoices, is that really the best use of their time and incredible talent?
To really get why the solution is so powerful, we first have to break down the problem itself. Let's call it the reconciliation bottleneck.
Okay, think about the daily grind of doing this by hand. It's just relentless. It means hours of downloading bank data and then painstakingly cross-checking every single line item against your ERP system, your company's main software. And then you've got to flag every little discrepancy. The result? A process that's not only slow, but it's just begging for errors. And worst of all, it ties up your most skilled finance pros in what is basically repetitive admin work.
But what if you could just smash right through that bottleneck?
Well, this brings us to the solution, automation in action, and it's all powered by ZAPTEST.
So how does this actually work? It's pretty cool. ZAPTEST starts by simply capturing your existing workflow, exactly as you do it now. From there, its AI and computer vision engine, called Zoe, just takes over. It perfectly emulates all the human actions. We're talking clicking, logging in, pulling data from any application you use. It automates all the matching, it's smart enough to handle exceptions, and then it generates these perfect audit-ready reports. It's true, seamless automation from start to finish.
And this, right here, is where things get really compelling. Let's talk about the bottom line impact, the tangible, see it on a spreadsheet results.
70%. Let that sink in for a second. That's the typical reduction in time your team has to spend on accounts receivable reconciliation when the process is automated. A task that took hours can now be done in a tiny fraction of that time.
And what does all that time saving actually translate to, financially speaking?
A potential 10x return on investment. And that's driven by wiping out costly errors, closing the books at the end of the month way faster, and just a massive improvement in overall efficiency. This chart just illustrates that 70% reduction perfectly. That big bar on the left, that's the mountain of hours you're spending doing things the old way. And on the right, that little sliver is the automated process. The difference is just stark, and it frees up an incredible amount of your team's resources.
But you know what? The story doesn't end with process metrics and efficiency gains. Maybe the most important benefit here is about your people. It's about unlocking human potential. And this is the most profound benefit, really. Automation isn't about replacing people, it's about elevating them. By getting rid of those repetitive, mind-numbing tasks, you free up your skilled staff to focus on what humans do best: real analysis, big picture strategy, and building valuable relationships. So we'll just leave you with this one thought. It's not just about the hours you get back, but it's about how you reinvest them. If your team got 70% of their reconciliation time back, what new opportunities could they chase? What amazing new value could they create for the business?